Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the sun-soaked world of Sandos Finisterra, Los Cabos, a cliffside paradise that's been turning heads and stealing hearts in beautiful Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. So grab your virtual sunscreen, and let's explore this stunning, all-inclusive resort that's got more views than your Instagram feed on vacation. First up, let's talk about where you'll be resting your head after a day of beach bumming and margarita sipping. Sandos Finisterra offers a variety of rooms that'll make you feel like you've hit the jackpot. And I'm not talking about the ones in Cabos casinos. From cozy standard rooms to jaw-dropping suites, there's something for everyone here. Picture this. You're lounging on your private balcony, watching the sun dip into the Pacific Ocean, wondering if life gets any better than this. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. The standard rooms are like your cool friend's apartment, comfortable, stylish, and equipped with all the essentials. But if you're feeling fancy, and let's face it, you're in Cabo, so why not? The Junior Suites Ocean View are where it's at. These bad boys can fit a whole Brady Bunch with 2 queen beds and a sofa bed, perfect for families or friends who want to splurge together. And for those who like their vacations with a side of VIP treatment, the Finisterra Suites are calling your name. These chic hideaways come with standalone jetted tubs and access to exclusive areas that'll make you feel like a celebrity. Paparazzi not included. Now let's talk about the real star of the show, the views. Sandos Finisterra isn't messing around when it comes to scenery. Whether you're gazing at the Pacific Ocean, the Bay of San Lucas, or the resort's lush gardens, you're in for a treat. Some rooms even defy gravity, clinging to the cliffside like mountain goats with a flair for interior design. And the best part? You can enjoy these million-dollar views without actually spending $1 million. Rates start at around $130 per person per day, all-inclusive. That's right, folks, you can live like royalty without having to sell your crown jewels. But what's a vacation without some good grub? Sandos Finisterra has got you covered with a smorgasbord of dining options that'll make your taste buds do the cha-cha. Let's start with Don Diego, an open-air kitchen-style restaurant that's serving up Mexican and international cuisine faster than you can say mas tacos, poor favor. Breakfast here is a buffet bonanza, and dinner is an a la carte affair that'll have you unbuttoning your pants in no time. For those days when you can't bear to leave the beach, we've all been there. Tortuga Beach Cafe has got your back. This casual waterfront spot is perfect for grabbing a quick bite or a refreshing beverage without having to shake the sand out of your shorts. And when the sun starts to set, make your way up to the Blue Marlin Bar. This historic watering hole on the top floor isn't just a place to grab a drink. It's a whale-watching wonderland with views that'll make your jaw drop faster than the bartender can mix a margarita. But wait, there's more. Sandos Finisterra also boasts a swim-up bar at the pool, 2 lounges, and a terrace bar with bay views that'll have you questioning why you ever drink indoors. From fresh seafood to Mexican specialties and international dishes, the culinary offerings here are as diverse as the guests. Just remember to pace yourself. You've got all vacation to try everything. Now let's dive into the pools and beaches, because let's face it, that's why we're all here, right? Sandos Finisterra doesn't mess around when it comes to aquatic fun. With 4 outdoor pools, including a VIP pool for those feeling extra fancy, you'll have more options than a kid in a candy store. The main pool area is like a water wonderland, complete with a swim-up bar that'll have you questioning why all bars don't come with the option to float. And if you're worried about getting too much sun, as if there's such a thing in Cabo, don't fret, there are plenty of palapis scattered around for shade. But the real showstopper is the beach. Picture pristine golden sand stretching as far as the eye can see, dotted with palapis and lounge chairs just begging for you to plop down with a good book and a cold drink. While swimming in the sea isn't recommended due to strong riptides, safety first, folks, there's no shortage of beach activities to keep you entertained. From beach volleyball to sandcastle building competitions, adults can play too. We won't judge. You'll never be bored. And if you're feeling adventurous, the resort can hook you up with some serious water sports action. Kayaking, paddleboarding, or maybe even a fishing excursion to catch your own dinner. The options are as endless as the horizon. Now let's talk activities, because Sandos Finisterra isn't just about lounging around looking fabulous. although that's certainly an option. For those who like to stay active on vacation, you know who you are. The resort's fitness center is a gym rat's paradise with ocean views that'll distract you from the burn. And if you're more into relaxation than reps, the spa is calling your name louder than a seagull eyeing your beach snack. Speaking of the spa, prepare to have your mind blown and your muscles unknotted. This 13,191 square foot slice of heaven boasts 7 treatment rooms where you can get massaged, scrubbed, and pampered until you forget what stress even feels like. From traditional massages to high-tech facials, they've got it all. And let's not forget the hydrotherapy area. It's like a water park for adults, minus the screaming kids, and plus a whole lot of zen. With saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation areas with ocean views, you might just forget to leave. But the fun doesn't stop there. Sandos Finisterra knows how to keep the party going with weekly entertainment that'll have you shaking your tail feather faster than you can say another pina colada, please. Beach parties, live music, and themed nights are all on the menu. And for those traveling with little ones, fear not. The Kids Club and Baby Club are here to save your sanity. While the kiddos are making new friends and having supervised adventures, you can sneak off for some much-needed adult time. It's a win-win situation that'll have everyone in the family grinning from ear to ear. Now let's venture beyond the resort because, believe it or not, there's a whole world out there to explore. Sandos Finisterra is perfectly positioned for adventure, sitting pretty near downtown Cabo San Lucas and the marina. Take a stroll and you'll find yourself surrounded by restaurants, shops, and nightlife that'll keep you entertained long after the sun goes down. And let's not forget about El Arco, the famous rock formation that's basically the unofficial mascot of Cabo. It's a must-see that'll have your Instagram followers green with envy. For the golf enthusiasts out there, you're in luck. The region boasts some seriously impressive courses that'll challenge your skills and reward you with views that'll make it hard to keep your eye on the ball. And if you're into fishing, well, you've hit the jackpot. Cabo is known as the marlin capital of the world, so grab a rod and see if you can reel in the big one. Just remember, what happens in Cabo stays in Cabo, unless it's a record-breaking catch. Then you're legally obligated to brag about it for years to come. So, what's the verdict on Sandos Finisterra, Los Cabos? Well, if you're looking for a resort that combines stunning views, top-notch amenities, and a location that's hotter than a jalapeno, you've found your match. The cliffside architecture is a sight to behold, offering panoramic vistas that'll have you pinching yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. And let's not forget about that whale-watching bar on the top floor. It's the perfect spot to sip a cocktail while playing I Spy with some of nature's most magnificent creatures. But what really sets Sandos Finisterra apart is its commitment to blending luxury with laid-back vibes. It's the kind of place where you can go from lounging by the pool in your flip-flops to dining in a swanky restaurant without feeling out of place. The staff here have mastered the art of being attentive without being overbearing, striking that perfect balance that'll make you feel like royalty without the stuffy formality. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.